323. Now auto tiling is applied and it looks pretty interesting. Let's look at the code. In the Eddy game data section, in the Eddy game editor object, we have turned off the randomization of layers because it's going to make it hard to see what we're doing. We've added this object, or this entry. It's not a fucking object. It's a member variable. We've added this member variable, defaulted it to 0xc. That means latching on the x and y is turned on, mirroring on the x and y is turned off for the auto tiling methods. We have a new bit packing function. It takes a layer, tile value, and auto tiling method and bit packs it into U32. Here are the inputs. We're going to air check, and then we're going to have some temporary references so we can call this previous bit packing function that doesn't know about the auto tiling methods. And then if we are on layer 0, which is the geometry layer, we're going to smash these auto tiling method bits into the correct position within here. The auto tiling method bits should be right here within the red channel of our 32-bit pixel. Then we're going to spit out that 32-bit pixel. In the mouse master editor put function, in this section here, we have grabbed the auto tiling method from the editor object, put it into a temporary variable, and now we're calling this new function here with the proper parameters and getting our bit packed value out. And that's all we're doing. So here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. For a longer description, go here. We don't have enough time here. Here's where you are. Source code. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money.